Let's do some saving today. What am I doing? I am saving the money in a money bank. So at the end, I will get final amount in the money bank. So what are we doing today? Hello everyone. We are going to do summation of series in Java. Let's see some examples. Suppose I want to add all even numbers till 100 and at the end I want to print summation of them. This is the example number 1. Or if I wish to add first 10 prime numbers. Third example, if I want to add factorial of all numbers till n. Or if I wish to print summation of this series. So what to do? We will go back to our previous example. Suppose I want to add a coin in a money bank on a daily basis. What will I do? I will add up that coin in a money bank. So now my money bank will be having one coin. Next day, I will again add up the coin in the same money bank. So now what will be the status of my money bank? It will be having two coins. Third day, again I am adding the coin. So now money bank is having three coins. And we will repeat the same process again and again. So at the end, we will have money bank with total number of coins. Same logic applies to summation of series. If we want to perform summation of series, we will need a container that will hold successive summation. We will label this container as sum, or we can say we will take one variable sum. In for loop, we will write the statement as sum is equal to sum plus addend. What does it mean? Whatever we wish to add, we will add in the same container and that container will be updated again and again. That's why we are using for loop. Now let us take an example. If we want to do addition of 1 to 4, that is, we want to print 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, the final answer 10. So how will we proceed? We will write the for loop, one variable for running the for loop and one container, sum, that is in the beginning 0. How will for loop look like? Value of I will go from 1 till 4. So how will I change in the for loop? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the for loop, I have written this statement. Now let us see the dry run. Suppose in the beginning, summation is 0. We have already taken. Now we will take value of I as 1. What will happen? 1 is less than 4. So it will enter into the loop. What is the statement? Sum is equal to sum plus I. What is sum in the beginning? 0. Plus 1 will be added and that value will be updated in the same container. So now what will be new value of sum? It will be 1. How did it occur? Sum, that is 0 plus I. What is I? It is 1. So 0 plus 1 will be 1. So this final container will have one value. Next, loop will go and value of I will become 2. Again this statement will execute sum plus I. But what is new sum now? What is the container holding? 1. So 1 plus 2 will be added and the final sum will be updated. So what will be the step? Sum plus 2, that is 1 plus 2. 2 is value of I. So 1 plus 2 will be 3. So new container, or sorry, the container sum will holding new value 3. Next, value of I will become 3. Again condition will be checked. 3 is less than 4. Again I will enter into the for loop. Here So what will happen? Sum plus I. What is sum? 3 plus I. New value of I is 3. Both will be added and sum will be updated. So 3, the previous value of sum, new value of I, 3 plus 3, that is 6. So now container is holding what? 6. If we observe gradually, the container sum is holding addition of previous terms. Now value of I is 4. Again sum is equal to sum plus I. We have to understand this step in the for loop where sum plus I, this value is going again in which container? Same container. So now new value of sum will be 6 plus 4. That is, here what will come? 10 will come. How did it come? Sum, that is previous value 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Now value of I will become 5. Oh, it's alarming. Why? Because value of 5 is not lesser than 4. It is not equal to 4. So what will happen? Loop will exit, right? But what did we get? We got final sum in which variable? Sum variable. So this is giving us the final sum, that is 10. So when you come out of this for loop, here we will print what? Sum is equal to, if you print SOP, system.out.println sum, value will be printed. Which value will be printed? The total value. Which total value? We added all the values of I from 1 to 4. In which container? In the container sum. The important point to note down here is we are supposed to use same container to update. Now here we have written sum plus I. So whatever value of I will come, first it was 1, then 2, then 3, then 4 will be added and that value will go in the same container sum.